Ejeomah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to do a product review, a Primark makeup product review. So most of the products I have here are from Primark. When I went to the Netherlands and I saw the Primark store, I was like, oh wow, because in Ukraine we don't have Primark. I went in there and then I now discovered that they had a own makeup section where they sell their own makeup products. I thought Primark was just for clothes and whatnot. I was like, okay. I was trying out the testers and they were really coming out nice. Some of them is my first time using them, especially the brush, the beauty blender. I'm going to show you how it looks like and give you my honest review. PS, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I hope you enjoyed this video. This brush I got from Primark. This is how it looks like. There are 6 brushes in here. So we have the powder brush, foundation brush, then some contour brush, then some. This one is for the eyes, while this one is for the face. I already used this one off camera, this particular one off camera, just to blend the concealer. While I was blending, it was so super soft. Using this brush, I was like, oh, what have I been missing all my life? It was very much affordable. I'm not sure it was up to $10. Already used. These ones are not used yet. This one is called the Amber Passion. It looks like the Huda eyeshadow palette. The reason why it looks like this because I've already started using it, but I don't know if you guys can see how it looks like. The pigment is okay, like especially for the price that I got it. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm sorry my camera looks kind of, I'm trying to get the lighting of this thing and it's not actually, but this is how it looks like. If you can see a bit, I feel like it's okay especially if you're starting out as a makeup person, which me, I don't really like complicated looks on makeup, and this one is just perfect for me. We're going to try and do a look with this, just this very simple look and still look chic. And it's the gentle hydrating mist from Primark. It's almost finished, guys. I really love it to moisturize your face. So I use it and I like the smell because it's used with organic rose, and it also has vitamin E. They wrote like mist throughout the day for a gentle addition of moisture for all skin types, including sensitive. For starting out my makeup, so I use that as like my moisturizer. This beauty blender I got it from Primark. It's cute. Like, look at the container, and I think it was it $1 or $2? I can't remember, but I know it was really cheap, and they said it's lactose free. And I just like the container, how it came in, and I don't know, I've not really like opened it to try how soft the blender is. I'm unboxing here. Oh, nice. The next one is the highlighter, the mint pink highlighter. They have the mint pink and they have the gold digger. In Ukraine, if you need any of these products, which they are very affordable, just check us on Instagram. I will put the name of the business page here. Swipe and place in the middle of this. Can you see? Oh, yes, this is so nice. So let's get started in the real makeup tutorial. I'll go in first. Guys, the way this thing applies on my face, I really like it. Since it's summer, I really don't like to use foundation because I sweat a lot. So when I sweat, everything just drenches down, and it's so embarrassing. You don't want a situation where your makeup just drenches. So I just use concealers to conceal and highlight. That's all. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So I only use foundation in the winter because I need to hydrate my face then. I use less powder in winter, less foundation in summer, if that makes sense. I'm going to take this one, highlight this part. I need to go in with this. She's so soft. What? It feels like cream. Guys, I'm not sponsored by Primark. This is just a honest review, and it's really affordable. If you don't have so much to buy the high-end products, this brush is the truth. I have done my eyeliner off camera, especially where I feel like it's needed, most especially this part. Usually I prefer using beauty blender to blend my foundation. I don't know, I just like the effect of that. Or if at all I'm using a brush, I go in with a brush first, then I go back to my beauty blender. this elegant concealer in Toffee to highlight my face. Since we already have a concealer brush, I'm going to go in my concealer brush so that I can make use of all the brushes for this video. So I'm going to go on with this, and before going on with this, I would like to spray a little. I'm going to put this here. I like the brush. Just going in, just blending. Because I don't want, my face is already wide, I don't want to go like this. So instead of going in like this, I'm going to be coming in more. So guys, I'm just showing a bit of how I do my makeup. Makeup is something that you can just try, just tweak around and do what actually works best for you. So I'm going to go in with this other beauty blender. I'm going to just take this. Sometimes I just use a brush just to ramble around it, but I'm going to use this. Just try to leave it to sit for a while before I now use the brush to brush it off. So guys, I'm going to dust off my face with the powder. Going in with this powder brush. Okay. Since I said I'm going to give you guys my honest review about it, I expected more with this powder brush. I believe that powder brushes are more softer than this. I'm going to use this as the blush. I'm going to just, since they don't give us highlighter brush, I'm just going to do it with my hands. And so guys, I'm going to put my my lipstick and just spray my face, and I'll show you the look later because my battery is almost dead and I need to. Oh yeah guys, so this comes to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, subscribe and comment below. See you in the next video.